Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing into the Google account you'll back up and enabling two-step verification for safety. Next, install Google Drive for desktop, or, if you prefer, use Drive. Google.com, choose the desktop app for continuous local syncing. Once installed, open Preferences and select the first folders on your PC to back up. This immediate action creates the link between local files and cloud storage. It's essential because it prevents accidental omissions and ensures version history starts recording right away. Once done with installation, configure exactly how files move. Choose between streaming files to save local disk space or mirroring for offline access. Streaming reduces disk use while mirroring gives fast local reads. Make folder-level selections and exclude large or temporary file types to save bandwidth and storage. Then set upload quality for photos and videos and impose bandwidth limits or a schedule to prevent slowdowns during work hours. These choices affect speed, quota consumption, and recovery options later. Finish by verifying that files show the green sync icon and that timestamps match your source originals. Open a few files to confirm integrity. If you need to restore, use Drive's activity feed and version history to roll back or download previous versions. If syncing stalls, pause and resume, re-authenticate your Google account, or clear the drive for desktop cache. These fixes resolve most issues. Finally, make a habit of monthly checks to ensure continuous backups and catch quota limits early.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.